Hi, I'm Kathleen and I'm going to show you how to do an overall stretch on your footwear. You are going to take a shoe stretcher. You can get them at any store. You can go online and order them. I have a men's large for this particular shoe. Now you can shorten the distance by turning the knob because you want the whole thing inside the shoe. Not only do you want to stretch length, but you also want to put some on width. Now, I like to take the dryer, the hair dryer, and get the shoe warm to touch. All over. Okay, the shoe is warm. Now, I'm also going to be turning this handle to lengthen and this handle to widen the forefoot. You can also use a little bit of shoe stretch. You can spray it, take the hair dryer, get it warm to the touch, and it will help with the stretching of the forefoot. There again, turn this knob. Now for a good stretch, you want to leave it for 24 to 48 hours. For a quick stretch, you can leave it for a few moments.